Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly get set up with Tailwind CSS and Next.js. So to start, we'll want to go to this GitHub repository by Vercel, the creators of Next.js. I'll have a link to it down in the description. And this repository gives us commands that will give us the boilerplate for a Next.js and Tailwind CSS project. So we'll scroll down here and we'll run one of these two commands. If you're using npm, you'll want to run the first one here. And if you're using yarn, you'll want to run the second one here. And this command will basically get us a new Next.js app automatically set up with Tailwind. So we'll go into our terminal here and paste this command. It will take a second to install. All right, now that we got it installed, we'll cd into this directory. And we'll open it up in our text editor. So I'm using VS Code, but you'll want to open this in whatever text editor you're using. And we'll see here we have a bunch of boilerplate files, but to quickly verify that Tailwind CSS is working, we can simply cut out all of the HTML from our index file, which is the main page that'll display it at the root of our web app. So I'll just write a div here, and I'll create an h1 saying hello world. And let's add in a few simple Tailwind CSS classes. So let's make this text really big, and let's make it red. Now that we have that set up, we'll go back to our terminal and let's run this application. And we'll go back into the browser, and let's see what we got on localhost 3000. Perfect. We can see here that we have hello world that's styled with the Tailwind CSS classes that we added. And we can just verify that there by going into DevTools and taking a look at our Tailwind CSS in action. So that's how easy it is to get a Next.js app set up with Tailwind CSS. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to save time in your next project, I do have a free CSS design system checklist that will allow you to add in all of the important CSS that you need in your project before getting into writing your UI code. So if that's something you're interested in, grab it down from the link in the description. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.